Are you tired of outdated goals cluttering your pipe drive? You know the ones. Maybe it's a target from last quarter that's long past, or a test goal you set up that you never got around to cleaning. They just sit there in your insights, making it harder to focus on what actually matters. Well, I've got good news. You can delete them in under a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I'll walk you through the exact steps. We'll open Insights, find your goal, and remove it permanently. Let's get started. So start by logging into your Pipedrive account. You're probably already there, but if not, go ahead and pull it up. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. That's your main navigation hub. From that left sidebar, click on Insights. I always think of this as the command center for all your reporting and tracking. It's where you see your progress, your team's performance, and yes, your goals. So go ahead and click that Insights option. You'll land on the main Insights dashboard. Now, locate the goal you want to delete and open it. You'll see a list of all your goals here, usually organized by type or by who created them. Scroll through until you find the one that's giving you trouble. It might be an old quarterly target, or maybe one you set up as a test. Once you spot it, just click on it to open it up. This will take you into the detailed view of that specific goal. All right, here's the part where a lot of people get stuck. In the top right corner of that goal's detail page, you're going to see 3 little dots. That's the More button. And trust me, I've been through this interface enough times to tell you that button is your best friend. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Delete. It's a simple option right there in the list. You might see Edit or Share or other choices, but you want Delete. Click on it. A confirmation dialog will pop up. This is Pipedrive's way of making sure you really want to do this. It'll ask something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this goal?" And it'll warn you that this action is permanent. I appreciate that safety net. It saved me from accidentally wiping out something important more than once. So go ahead and click to confirm. Usually it's a red button that says Delete or Confirm. Now, here's where you just need a little patience. The goal will be permanently removed after a short processing time. This might take a moment to process, maybe a few seconds, sometimes a bit longer if you've got a lot of data tied to it. Don't worry if the screen doesn't update right away. Give it a beat. Once it's done, you'll want to verify. Go back to your list of goals and check that the goal no longer appears in your list. If it's gone, you're all set. Sometimes you might need to refresh the page to see the updated list, but most of the time it updates automatically. If you have multiple goals to delete, repeat these steps for each one. Go back to your list, find the next goal, open it, click the 3 dots, select Delete, Confirm, and wait for it to process. I've done this with a whole batch of old goals before, and honestly, it feels great to clear them out. You get a much cleaner, more organized Insights dashboard. And that's it. You've gone from being stuck with unwanted goals cluttering up your Pipedrive to having a clean, focused view of only the goals that matter. Now your Insights dashboard is showing you exactly what you need to see, without all that noise. Give it a try, and you'll see how much easier it is to stay on track.